My name's Casey Coletti, and welcome to my crib. So just jumping right into this video, here is a whole view of the entire room. So this is my roommate's closet and then my closet. Then I'm just going to give you an up and down of my entire closet, and right beside it I have a coat hanger where I put all of my big and heavy coats. So making our way into the closet now, I have my laundry, I have all my sweatshirts, my purses on one level, and then I have my shoes and my camera stuff on the next. Making way to my dresser, I have my Keurig and my coffees and my teas all there. Then on my wall, I just have a bunch of art things and stuff I've made or I've bought from YouTubers. Below my art wall, I have my desk with my makeup vanity and just some fake little plants and lotions and everything. Then I just have all my hair supplies, my jewelry. Below that, I just have my mirror, and then some bigger palettes, my everyday things like lotions and whatnot. Let me know if this looks like a tiger, but here's my desk and my backpacks and some shoes. Over here I have my tapestry and my bed, and I have a theme going on, kind of. And here's my computer, and you know, always reppin'. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys.